This is a review of the ArcEnCiel Mini Tactical Backpack, and the brand did send me a free one so I can create this video today. And I have had several of their items, and one thing you'll always notice with this brand is it's very high quality. You can see it's tough and it's durable. It's made out of a high quality nylon that's water resistant. Now, just like their other products, you're gonna find lots of storage compartments. Now, this one here up top can fit most cell phones. It can fit a wallet, credit cards. It's a very handy pocket up here. Now, as far as the overall size, this is a mini backpack. I can show you in relation to my hand. It's a perfect size for going on a little day trip and packing along a few items that you might need that day. Now, as far as here, you can see these nylon mesh side pockets, perfect for putting in a little water bottle here to take with you on your day trip. And other pockets, of course, the main compartment is actually a pretty good size considering it's a mini backpack. If I open it up, you'll see inside here further compartments where you can put various items. It also has this personality patch, which you can remove and put a different patch that will suit your unique personality. Now in the back here, you're gonna find some padding for your comfort enjoyment. You can see here padding strip here. And these shoulder straps are also padded with this breathable nylon material as well. And I would highly recommend this for anyone who needs a small backpack.